Now, you might find yourself in a position where for some reason, when you're clicking on that button, there's no footage that's being recorded, right? If you have a GoPro and you're clicking on these buttons and nothing is being recorded, this is actually pretty standard. So you can see right here, I don't have an SD card installed. So you can see right here, I see a no SD in the top left corner. That basically means I don't have a memory card installed inside of my GoPro. So the best option, the best choice I have here is to just double check and just to make sure that I do have an SD card installed. So double check it on the side, make sure you have an SD card installed on your device. Now, the SD card might also be corrupt. That could also be another big issue. So make sure your SD card is not corrupt and make sure that your GoPro has enough battery. Sometimes your GoPro might not have enough battery inside of it, so you might have to go through and just double check the battery life and recharge up or kind of see what's going on inside of your battery to make sure that your battery life is not having any issues and your camera isn't overheating. That's another thing that can also happen as well.